Hi my lovely crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a very warm welcome. I'm so happy you're joining me today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful and adorable tulip flowers. And don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll guide you step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along with ease. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this project, you'll need a 0.9mm crochet hook and orange acrylic double knit yarn. Let's start by making the petals. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3 and do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 2 and turn. Now we'll build the petal shape. Work 4 double crochets in between the stitches of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 2 and turn. You need to repeat this same step 3 more times. Make sure that you take your time here. You can spend as long as you like with this. And make sure that the stitches go in between the stitches of the previous row. Now one more time. Now let's start by shaping the petal. Chain 2 and yarn over and insert a hook between stitches. Now pull the yarn and drop 1 loop. Now repeat this. Now you'll have 5 loops on your hook. Now chain 3 and slip stitch. And repeat this and do chain 3 and slip stitch. Then chain 3 and slip stitch. And now one more time, chain 3 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Now one petal is done. Repeat this same pattern 5 more times. Okay, you'll now have 6 petals in total. Pull the yarn to close the magic ring. And cut the yarn and fasten off. Make sure you pull the magic ring tightly closed so there's no gaps. Now, make sure you get some black acrylic paint and lightly paint the center of the flower. Don't forget to let it dry completely. Now, stitch the sides of the petals together neatly. This will give the tulip its closed shape. Make sure you don't close it completely. Leave the top partially open. Now go through the petal into the other side to the other petal. And then, again, stitch that petal closed. And you have to repeat this all the way around for each petal. Again, take your time. Now the petal part of the tulip is finished. Now let's move on to the leaf. You can make as many as you like. Using green yarn, start by chaining 31. From the second chain from the hook, do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 26 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Now insert a wire along the leaf, chain 1 and crochet single crochets around the leaf. Make sure to pull your wire down to the other side. At the tip, do 2 single crochets, chain 2 and do 2 single crochets in the same space. Then continue with single crochet on the other side. Now finish with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Wrap yarn around the wire and twist the ends to secure. You can shape the leaf by squeezing it, pinching it, or flattening it. Whatever you like. And now your leaf's done. Now let's make the pollen center. Using white yarn, make a magic ring. Chain 3. And do 2 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. And slip stitch into the ring. And repeat this 2 more times. Now one more time. Okay, now pull the ring closed and secure it. And don't forget to fasten off. Make sure that using your crochet hook, you hide all the pieces. And don't forget to tie a knot. Now your pollen center is complete. Now let's do the fun part, assembly. Insert a wire into the pollen center. Attach this to the stem and secure it with glue. Use yarn to help keep them together. Don't forget to glue that down too. And don't forget to cut the yarn. Insert this into the flower's center. And glue it secure. And attach a straw or a stem like this. Now wrap green yarn all around it. Now, attach leaves on one or both sides. And now, our lovely crochet tulip flower is ready. You can add a little shading to make it look even more natural and try different colours for a beautiful bouquet. This flower is perfect for bouquets, hair accessories, gifts or home decor. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful tulip flower with me. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with your crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting, everyone!